Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today we'll read 1234 Cake by Caroline Wright, illustrated by Alison Oliver. So let's count ingredients and bake a delicious cake. Come on little bakers, let's start. Let's count together as we bake, and soon we'll have a tasty cake. 1 cup of butter to pour right in. 1. 2 cups of sugar, and now we begin. 1, 2. 3 cups of flour to sift and fluff. 1, 2, 3. 4 eggs to beat are just enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 shakes of sprinkles, then stir all we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 strong hands to carry the pan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 dishes washed then dried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 scoops of frosting we color with dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 frosted flowers and 1 pretty heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 slices of cake, a true work of art. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh look, we have a recipe to bake a cake. That's pretty cool. The end. If you like our videos, please subscribe for more. Thank you for listening. Bye bye kids.